Hi, my name's Tom Mann, and I work at Ingram Micro in the Ingram Micro Business Transformation Center. And my role is actually helping Cisco partners with Cisco security and enabling solutions for them. But I'm not here to talk about the Business Transformation Center today. I'm really here to talk about email security and where trends are moving and how we could deal with that. Now, specifically, I'm going to be talking about Office 365 email threats. And why Office 365? Well, Office 365 actually happens to be a cloud-based solution, and nearly 70% of all corporate email has actually moved to the cloud. And Microsoft, as it turns out, has done very well and has over 50% of that. So it's a very important topic to deal with. Now, if we see here on this site, you've got Office 365, email is definitely a concern. Down here in an FBI report with the IDC, it shows that business email compromise attacks caused 1.2 billion in annual losses in 2019, significant amount. And a Verizon data breach report that they come out with annually has 90% of cyber attacks begin with email. So that's a major, major problem. As we move down here, you can see the three big threats are really phishing, and phishing is a major way ransomware comes in, malware, and business email compromise. And then this site that I'm on from Cisco is actually showing a definition of each of these and what to talk about for each. What I'm going to specifically talk about is how we could deal with that. And that's using Cisco's relatively new, it came out last year, a solution called Cisco Secure Email Cloud Mailbox. Now, this solution, when it came out last year, was called Cloud Mailbox Defense. But Cisco rebranded many of their security products. We're now going with Cisco Secure, and this is Cisco Secure Email Cloud Mailbox. So Cloud Mailbox is a little bit different than a lot of other security solutions Cisco's had in the past. This is to protect the email and specifically only, Microsoft 365 and Office 365. That's two different names for the same solution. But this is a supplemental solution that's like an add-on to the built-in Office 365 security. Office 365's default security, Exchange Online Protection, really only provides a basic level protection. Now, Microsoft does have some additional add-ons themselves, but they're not backed by Cisco's extensive security knowledge and by Cisco Talos, which is the world's largest private intel organization. So this solution actually adds a lot of security very easily. And, let me take a look at some of these for you. So with this solution, you could watch on this particular site that I was just showing different videos. You could get a trial, get a demo of the solution. But let me talk about it a little bit more. So this solution was actually named by CRN last year as one of the top hottest new cloud security solutions. So what it actually does is it adds a significant amount of visibility. So email coming and going in Office 365 and within Office 365, we're going to get visibility to, and we're going to be able to secure that email for that phishing and business email compromise and malware. What makes this really interesting is it doesn't require any major change in traffic flow. Normally, when you put in an email security solution for a company, you redirect all the email to a different place by changing the mail exchanger records in DNS. So we'd send it to a gateway-based solution, all the email, either on-premise or in the cloud. And Cisco offers one of those solutions also. It does a great job. However, people are quite often, especially in small businesses, looking for an extremely simple solution. So that's what this is. This solution takes 5 or 6 minutes to set up. I set it up myself, tried it out, and I'm still using it actually. And it took 5 or maybe top 6 minutes to get that going. So it's Just a simple API key input and a journal rule, and you're good to go. And your policies take a minute or two to configure. It's a very, very easy solution. Uh, this solution here, you could see a customer of Cisco definitely liked it. Said Cloud Mailbox is the first solution that's as easy as it claims to be. So that's a good statement there. The way it works is it's going to actually copy all email that's inbound and outbound over to the Cloud Mailbox to be scanned. Plus, that includes internal email. That's a major new problem in Office 365 is internal email. A computer could get compromised and then via email spread it around. And basically, if phishing's found or malicious emails found, it then will make an API key back out to Microsoft and remediate that problem. So it could trash the message or put it in junk, because spam is also a major concern too. This solution not only deals with the phishing and the malware, but also spam is it's excellent at dealing with. This solution also comes out quite nice because it's so easy to buy. There's really just one part number to buy it, just the Cloud Mailbox part number, and then you pick the number of mailboxes you're going to protect. Yeah, so the solution is actually cloud managed, and it's a SaaS-based service that you buy on a subscription. It could be sold as little as one user at this point. When it first came out, they had a limit of 25 users and up. Based on feedback, they realized to get down to the smaller businesses where this product really shines nicely, all the way down to one user. And I'd recommend it all the way up to small enterprise. Once you get into medium and large enterprise, you're probably looking at the gateway-based solutions. So I would say definitely check it out. You could get a trial. Trials, actually, you could see there's a link here on the page. Trials are great too for doing a proof of value. Because this only takes 5 or 6 minutes to configure, and it's easy to undo too, you could actually start testing email security with it right away with a trial and then move into selling the product. So check it out. Hope you like the video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.